Good morning. We are live on Facebook. It's Tuesday in the morning, 6:47.
Definitely over the party stage. Quite ready for rehab.
Overlooking is the Acropolis or the Parthenon, or in the Temple of Athena, the patron saint of Athens, is found. I've done many vlogs, live vlogs in Facebook on this hill, the Areopagus Hill. And every time I come, I have a lot of experiences. As you can see in the caption of this video, live video, here is my newfound sanctuary, wherein I feel safe in this area, although people say it's kind of risky because of the hill is slippery. Most of the parts are slippery. That's why movement is very minimal to avoid accident. Here I will go down a bit to see another view, because most of the time wherever I do my vlogs, I used to stay there where people are now. It's 6:49 in the morning, Tuesday. So here's another view. Since I go down a bit, I did my live vlog last Wednesday in Licabitos. I would zoom in. There I was last Wednesday. So if those who missed my live vlog in last Wednesday, you just go over or scroll down and you would see my live vlog in Facebook. This will be uploaded in YouTube in my account, Kakang Nels, later. So here. So it's another view compared to my previous vlogs. Okay, look, it's kind of risky. Okay. We go up to the topmost of the hill. There you can see the Parthenon, the Acropolis. I used to stay here, on this spot. Here. We go down a bit to move to the other side. Areopagus Hill is also known as the Philippapos. I don't know if it's correct. And St. Paul in Athens, it says. The Paul in Athens, the Paul in Athens. wherein he preached to the Greek people more than 1,000 years ago on this area. Here, you can see the picture of the whole of Athens. On this Areopagus Hill. So, if you want to get the picture of the whole of Athens, you can just come here. So there you go. Bye-bye for now. I'll see you in my future vlogs. Thank you very much for watching.